to make money online. Hello everyone, and welcome to this audio ebook on how to make money online. Making money online is a great way to supplement your income, or even to make a full-time living. There are many different ways to make money online, and in this audio ebook, we'll be exploring some of the most popular methods. The first way to make money online is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. To get started with affiliate marketing, you'll need to find a product or service to promote, and then sign up with an affiliate network. Once you're approved, you can start promoting the product or service and earning commissions for each sale you make. Another way to make money online is through blogging. Blogging is a great way to share your knowledge and expertise with the world, and it can also be a great source of income. To get started with blogging, you'll need to choose a topic to write about, create a blog, and then start writing content. Once you have a steady stream of readers, you can start monetizing your blog by selling products or services, or by displaying ads on your blog. Finally, you can make money online by selling products or services. This is a great way to make money if you have a skill or expertise that you can offer to others. You can create your own products or services, or you can sell products or services from other companies. You can also sell digital products such as ebooks, courses, and software. These are just a few of the ways to make money online. There are many more, and with a little bit of research, you can find the method that works best for you. Thanks for listening to this audio ebook on how to make money online. We hope you found it helpful and that you'll be able to start making money online soon.